Hello, everyone. In your test paper, GCSE paper, there might be problem solving where you have to create equation, but not just problem solving with words, but problem solving that involves shapes like angles, for example, or sides, length of the sides, length of the base, perimeter, area, combined or compound shapes as well. So you have to look for clues on the shape. So let's have a look at these examples. There are three different examples here, okay, where you have to find X. Now, in the first one, as you see, we are given the perimeter is 38 centimeters, and we have a shape. So the base is labeled as X, and one of the sides is X plus 10. Now, to find the perimeter, you need to know, or you must know, all the side lengths. But in this case, we don't know this one. So you need to always look for clues. And the clue here is these two little lines that say that this triangle, it is an isosceles triangle, which means this side is X plus 10 as well. Okay, so to find the X, you need to add all the sides and then equal 38, because the perimeter is the addition of all the sides, the lengths of the sides. So we are going to have, so we have two sides the same, so 2 that multiplies X plus 10, and then plus the X equals 38. Okay, when we have brackets in an equation, you must expand the bracket first to X plus 20 plus X equals 38. And now 2x plus x make 3x, so these are like terms, equals, and if you take away 20 from both sides, then we are going to have 3x equals 18. Them to cancel out, divide by 3 both sides, and then the answer is going to be 6. So x equals 6. Okay, now in the second one, perimeter is 30. Again, the clue is an isosceles triangle. All the cases we deal with isosceles triangles. So again, you must create the equation. So there's two sides the same in the isosceles triangle. So this is what we do. 2 that multiplies the bracket to x plus 1 plus 10 minus x, okay, equals, in this case, equals 30. Okay, so we have 4x plus 2 plus 10 minus x equals 30. Now 4x minus x make 3x plus 12 equals 30. And then take away the 12 both sides, take away the 12, take away the 12. We're going to have 3x equals 18. Again, x equals 6 in this case as well. Now you do the last example here, just follow my example. Now here I have three different examples to explain. The first one has a rectangle, and it says explain why 9x plus 12 equals 4x plus 47. And this is the clue actually to find the x, because this is a rectangle and opposite sides are equal, parallel and equal. So of course, 9x plus 12, it is going to be 4x plus 47. So you must write what I just said to you. You must write it down on a paper, because you get a mark for that answer. It is very important. And then now solve the equation. I'm going to get rid of the 4x on this side, minus 4x, because I want, when I see positive signs, I want the x is on the left-hand side. So we have 5x plus 12 equals 47. And then now again, take away 12 from both sides, take away 12. 5x equals 35. And then divide by 5 both sides, divide by 5, divide by 5, and then we get x equals 7. X equals 7. But does the question want us to find the x? Yes, just find the x. But they might say, what is the size of this side of the length? So how long is the rectangle? So be careful. Be careful what it says, because you might lose marks for no reason. So in this case, it says find x, so leave it there. Question number 2, it says explain why these two are equal. Again, it's quite similar. You can see, you can explain that because of the picture is an isosceles triangle. It is given in the problem that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. And so 4x plus 15, obviously 4x plus 15, it is equals 33 minus 2x. 33 minus 2x. Find x, so you have to solve the equation. So I'm going to leave this for you to do. And question number 3 says, explain why this has no solution. Well, let's find out why this has no solution. So question 3, this one here, this is question 2. Let me label all the questions, and this one here make question 1. So 8x plus 3 equals 2, open the bracket, 4x plus 1. Now, before you arrive to any conclusion at all, you have a bracket, expand the bracket, and then see. Then take a step back and investigate what you see. And then you think, so 8x plus 2. And then now you can explain why this has no solution. So does it make sense? 8x plus 3 equals 8x plus 2? No, it doesn't. It's not equal. So I'm going to draw this line here. So it doesn't make sense and it has no solution. Right? So there you go. Thank you very much for watching my steps. So be careful when you work with shapes. Look for clues. And that's how you deal with equations. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.